Kinetic sand. Now let's open it. Let's open it. What's in here?
Mommy,
What do we have here? Okay, let's open it.
Lego.
There.
Mommy,
Let's put it there. Hold on.
one more.
Hold on, we still have here.
There we go. There we have. I know this.
Yeah, let me help you. Let me help you.
Mommy, this one.
Yeah, we're gonna open it.
Wow. Pink.
Okay, so now let's see what's now let's see the direction first, okay? Let's read it. Okay, hold on.
Mommy, open this. Mommy.
Yeah, hold on. Let mommy read this first.
Mommy, my dad sick. I do. With this one, Dad, mommy, open this.
Yeah, here, let me hold on, let's see.
More and back.
Okay, put it here.
Nice.
Okay, this is a castle. This fish, seahorse, and turtle.
Like my.
Yeah. And then now we're gonna open this. This is made in Sweden. Okay, let's put it here.
There.
This is our tray. There we go. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Wow. Hey. Mommy, I'm sick.
Yeah. Now you put it like this.
Mommy, this one.
Yeah.
Now look.
Yeah, we have to put it flat. And then you build castle. Now you put it like this. You're gonna put some in here inside. Okay, let's build.
I put some.
Yeah, we're gonna put some. Put some inside.
Look.
Wow. That's cool.
Look at there.
Yeah, a turtle. Okay.
Look.
Wow. Put some more. Put some more sand. Okay. Now, look. Look, I put this here. Look.
Wow.
Now put some here. That's a castle. Go. Wow, look.
I gotta look.
Yeah.
Make it.
Now you put some like this. Look. Put some. Put some. Look, watch mommy. Okay, mommy will put some sand right here.
I put some.
Yeah, put some. Do it yourself.
Look.
Yeah, oh, don't touch it.
It's big. My office
This is better than Play-Doh.
shadow.
Yeah, because it says it never dries out. Okay. Look, now look at this turtle. Look.
Whoa. Mommy make fish.
You want mommy to make fish? Okay, let's put it there. Now we're gonna make some fish.
Mommy, I'll make it there.
Yeah, make one too. Look, make your seahorse. Put some like this. Look, watch mommy. You put some. Now you see? Watch. Fish. Uh-oh. Do it here inside the tray so you won't make a mess.
Uh-oh.
Go.
Mommy,
More castle?
mine.
Wow, this is so nice.
I put there.
Okay, put it there. Wow. Is this cool?
Yeah, mine put some.
You put some so you'll learn.
Look.
The fish. Another one. Here it come. Wow. Look at this fish. Let's take this one. Uh-oh. Got ruined.
I look make up.
Yeah, you're making some. Here.
Mommy,
Go. Can do that. Push it more. There. Wow. What is that? What's that?
fish one. Fish. Fish.
Yeah.
Mom, fish.
Yeah. Oh, the fish? Give me the fish. I'll make some fish.
Mommy.
We'll make fish. Wow, what's that? Worm? Okay, here's the fish. Here's the fish. There.
What's it?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What did you do? What did you do? You broke it.
Mommy put.
Again, we'll make some more again. You like this? Do you like doing this? Maha, do you like doing this?
Yes.
You like it? What do you think of it? It's cool? Okay, this is a fish. The fish is coming. Wow. Don't touch it.
I'll make heart.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What did you do?
I make the X here.
More? More castle?
Mommy, I know.
Okay.
I put some mistake. I look.
Oh, wow. Wow.
That is.
Wow.
I make castle.
Make castle?
Mommy, I make fish.
Okay, you make fish. And look, even you make a mess, look, you make a mess like that. Like this. And then,
I put there.
look,
I put there.
even you make a mess, you just do this. Oh, look. Oh. Yay, we got everything. It's not messy.
Mommy, these are my toys.
Yeah, this is your toys. Where did we buy this?
I buy this.
Target. Say Target. We went to Target to buy it. $17.99.
Look.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Look. Look over here. You don't do that, Ma. Look, the castle. There!
Mommy make tester. I make tester.
Uh-oh, you're gonna break it. Hold on.
Make tester.
We have 2 castles now. And a turtle right here.